Another devil.
Hey, Dingy. We are running out of time now. I may be the enemy here, but I can't afford to be just a meal of that creature. So let me in now, and I will show that creature how delicious and appetizing my chainsaws are.
He is right, Pochita. Right now we are in grave danger and we need all the help that we can get. You also don't want to be the dinner of that creature, right, Pochita?
Good job on capturing that demon. I am sure Doctor will be very excited to perform experiment on that one. Try not to digest that one in your stomach. You can go now while I gather the injured.